Man, these deals just keep on coming today. Hakeem, thank you, brother. Love you, brother. All right. Now, now, now we play some football. Still no one's gotten that one yet. But all seriousness, guys, you think about some of these Caulk guns, right? We were just at Home Depot yesterday, and I was like, $229 bare bones for DeWalt's Caulk gun. All right. Let's take a step back, guys. $99 for the kit. All right. Battery, charger, Caulk gun. Save $108. All right. It's ready to go. They got 273 ready to ship. You know, a little bit heavier, I would say, than obviously the Milwaukee M12, but we haven't really seen that on super sale. And when it is, it's usually either special buy today or some other online retailers doing a promo. But even, I want to say the M12 bare bones is $129 for their Caulk gun. Now again, I got it for a special buy today. A lot of us got it. I presented a deal, $99 with a 1.5 and the 12 volt charger. But I was very surprised at the weight of this. It's really, the battery is going to be, but they give you the compact too, which is good too. So when you look at a 12 1.5, all right, versus a 2 amp hour 18, all right, this is going to last a lot longer. All right, you're going to get a lot more runtime with this too. So really good deal, probably the best, like I've always said, the best deal on a Caulk gun. But to add $20 to the price of this, to get a battery and a charger, I mean, and it's got a hook. The M12 doesn't even have a rafter hook. Go get her. Get her. Hakeem. You're the man. Check her out.